Hi, I'm Andy, the owner of Sonic Solutions. Recycling usually involves water in the cleaning and separation of the waste product, but the final extrusion requires dry product input. The drying process takes parts like condensers, filters, demisters, but over time they become clogged with waste oils and particulate and scrap. However, they're very expensive to replace and supply can be an issue, and cleaning is not easy. It's smelly, dirty, very laborious and difficult to get right. And the resulting waste is costly to dispose of. From nearly completely blocked to nearly new and ready to go. We've saved companies like Cleantech and Bright Green thousands of pounds and hundreds of man-hours by cleaning their parts. Reliable, consistent and hassle-free. It's what you ask for, it's what you get.